Hello and what is going on, lovely people of the internet? It is HOOTMONEY here with another video for you guys today. Workhorse Army, Ape Centaur Gang, assemble! Today was an amazing morning for Workhorse. I really like that we pumped that open because typically over the past few weeks, market open would hit and we'd see some ladder attacks. Now, shorts definitely are having some less ammo because this morning was the first time I've seen market open hit and we started pumping. We had one 10% day the other week, but still, as soon as 9:30 hit, we would see a small sell-off, and then we got our 10% day. But today, we got that bounce at market open, which is great. I see that as a huge bullish momentum flag, and I'm ready to go from here. Anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed this content, make sure you guys leave that early like, because giving me that like will help spread this content around YouTube, around the internet. It'll give more exposure to Workhorse, etc. So leave that early like, very highly appreciated. Also, if you guys want to talk about Workhorse or anything else that's stock related, check out those linked in the description and the pinned comment section to sign up for my Discord server. And we talk about Workhorse every single day. Market open, market close. We're talking about Workhorse, posting our due diligence, doing everything we can do to get this stock to go to the moon and make sure we have the best information possible. So check out those Discord links below. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Let's go, baby. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as you guys can see, we're trading at around $16.80. This is great for us. We're up $1.20 on the day, or 7.8%. And yeah, this was awesome. We saw a huge bounce and rally right at market open, and we got all the way up to almost $17 a share, and I think that is where we saw probably a big sell wall with people who are day trading this, which I don't think you should do. I think you should just buy and hold those shares personally. You can see we got that huge bounce here at market open, destroying this previous resistance level, and yeah, we're just making our way up on this thing. And we'll take a look at a day trading perspective here, going to the 1 minute candles, and you can just see we completely just rallied. We saw enormous amounts of volume. You can see right there. If we scroll back, we haven't seen volume like that for a few days now, and everything is just looking great. Hopefully we find some new support around that $16.25 resistance line. And guys, once we make that $18 price level, our support level, this squeeze will unfold like crazy, because a lot of the new shorts, people who got in within the last 2 months, they most likely got in below $18 per share. So if we can get this thing to settle above $18 per share, that will put shorts in a very bad position. Anyways, guys, there's nothing too new with this Ortex data. We're still at about 42% short interest. 48 million shares are short. The cost to borrow on average is 10.73%. And at some point, this cost to borrow is going to start shooting up, which will also put some enormous pressure on shorts. Now, utilization, we're still at 97.52, so there's not too much ammo left for shorts to short the stock. There's only about 150,000 shares according to Fintel. Mid-video, guys, we're pumping up. We've got new highs of about 11% on the day. We broke that $17 barrier, and we're just doing very well here. Now, shorts are definitely getting a lot of pressure when we get into these price ranges, because as you guys can see, there were not too many opportunities to short below this current price level. So at $17.20 per share, you can see right here that most of the price action has been below where we are at currently. So most of the shorts that got in within the last month or so are definitely in the hole, and that right there represents about 50% of the people who are short. So this is actually really good for us, because it puts a lot of pressure on shorts who are now down and now see this huge price action of about 10% on a day. And I told you guys, we need a few of these 10% per day days, and that's what we got. We got one last week. We have one this week at market open on Monday morning, and that is fantastic for us. Now, to address some of the other shorts. So a lot of shorts got in around this range right here, and those shorts are still in the money, but people who got in around this area as well, they are still in the hole. So there's not too much of an opportunity for shorts to have made money at this point. Shorts would have had to get in within an hour of that happening, which is just bad news because it really sold off. That day was a really fast, really hard sell-off. So timing the market in that situation would have been very, very difficult. Anyways, my point being is that most shorts got in under the current price levels that we're at, which puts elevated pressures on shorts. So if we can hold this range that we are at currently and continue to build on it, even if it's slow, we will be getting this short squeeze. If you'd like up to $70 in free stock just for signing up and depositing at least $1, use the links below to sign up for Public. Public is a stock investing application, and it's much, much better than that of its peers. It has a clean, amazing, friendly user interface, and it's also a stock trading social media platform where you can follow people like me, influencers, celebrities, see their portfolios, do all that, talk to people, post, say anything, do anything you want to do on a stock trading platform or a social media, and it has both. So it's honestly just a lot of fun. I love Public. I like to see where Public's going in the future. I'd even invest in Public if I were able to. I'm going to have to look into that actually. I'm going to have to talk to some of the people I know there. See if I can get in early on investing in that company. Anyways, guys, I believe in this platform. I think you guys would too. You get up to $70 in free stock just for signing up and depositing at least $1. And with that being said, let's get right back into the video, huh? Anyways, guys, back to my main point on Ortex. The shares on loan are still at 71.59 million shares. Meanwhile, the current estimated short interest is 48 million shares. Guys, what this means is that there are still 24 million shares that are on loan that aren't being shorted. Now, what can this mean? What I think this means is that hedge funds who are short on this stock are synthetically making it look like they covered their shorts when they did not, because these shares are still on loan. There are ways for shorts to make it look like they have covered their position by buying 100 shares and selling deep in the money call options against that. So I wouldn't be surprised if the short interest of this stock is more like that 60% figure that we had on Ortex before it came crashing down to 42%. Now guys, another huge thing about Workhorse, you can see that on 6/24/2021, ARK Invest added this stock to their Space Exploration and Innovation ETF, as well as their Autonomous Technology and Robotics ETF, where they added about 5 million shares. Now, this purchase by ARK Invest represents about 5% of the entire Workhorse float. So ARK Invest is bullish. They have a 5% stake in Workhorse as of last Thursday, and this is just another thing that is great news for Workhorse. And now you guys can see that on this 4-hour time frame, Workhorse is the #1 trending stock on Reddit, which is absolutely awesome. Now, we have to go back to the chart because as you can see, we're now up 14% on the day as of making this video, about to hit that $18 barrier, which we said before is what we need to make it to the next level in this squeeze. If we can start finding support around that $18 price point, we will be golden for this squeeze. And then the last thing I wanted to go over before this video comes to a close is that we've got this signal return for Workhorse available in 11 days. So we still have 11 days left on that signal. Now this signal has been delayed a few times by Ortex, and I went back and I checked and I did some calculations and I figured out that yes, they have extended this signal return a few times now. And what that means for me is that perhaps on their first try they didn't get the right time frame, but they're still bullish on the signal, so they're adding more days to the signal so you don't sell out early and you continue to hold. So to me, that is still bullish. They still believe in the Workhorse squeeze even if they are delaying it. So I think that is still a great thing. And as you guys can see, this stock is doing some great things. So I want you guys to thank yourselves right now if you guys have made money on this stock, because you guys did the due diligence that you needed to do. You guys found out a stock that had a lot of potential and we went on this journey together. So everyone, congratulate yourselves because we made a fantastic move here on this stock, and I am very excited about Workhorse and what has to done. I haven't sold a single share, and I don't plan to sell any shares anytime soon, so strap on because we're going on this ride together. Buy and hold those shares. And yeah, guys, that's about it for the video. I'm going to be going over some unusual options activities in the future, and we're going to see. There's been some bullish activity in terms of options in Workhorse, which is always a good sign. We know that shorts are now most likely, a lot of them are in the hole if they haven't covered already, because we saw a huge influx of shorts in this new wave of price action for Workhorse, and we are now above that range. So unless these shorts want to pay that cost to borrow, they are likely down, and eventually if we can get this price up high enough, these shorts will get margin called. So that is a great thing for us. I'm very, very happy to be a shareholder of Workhorse. I can't wait to see what Workhorse does in the future. They're truly an amazing company, an American electric vehicle company, and shorts are shorting them to oblivion, which really is just cruel and unusual because they have a lot of growth potential already, whether it be their delivery trucks or just their drone technology, and the fact that they have amazing technology and they're valuing it as if it was just some truck manufacturer. They don't understand the potential of this stock, and this stock is going to continue to do well, guys. I'm so excited. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys join that Discord server using that link below. If you guys want up to $70 in free stock just for signing up and depositing at least $1, sign up for public, also using those links below. Subscribe to the channel for more and like this video so it hits that YouTube algorithm. Guys, Workhorse is going to the moon, and I can't be more excited. Let's go! Peace.